So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you're watching any content on VLC Media Player using your Bluetooth headphones or earphones, and you'll notice that there's a slight delay in audio. So in order to fix that, because that slight delay irritates a lot. So in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply play that video, that content on VLC Media Player. Now here on your keyboard, you just simply need to press J or K in order to adjust the audio delay. Just simply press J, that means audio delay to minus value, and it will automatically sync to your headphones depending upon what latency your headphones support. For example, if I set it to minus 100 ms, that means approximately 0.1% or 1% would sync the video. So you can use this until your headphones and video, the audio in your headphones and the video you see sync together. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.